Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online lecture MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT, Rajkot. BCom same 4 students. Subject Corporate Accounting 2. Lecture number 5. Unit number 2, Absorption of Companies. And today question number 3, Saurashtra University 2012. I think question number 4 today. So this is question number 4. Become same 4 examinations, corporate accounting, and today's questions we are taking from Saurashtra University 2012 paper. The balance sheet of Sapna Limited on 31st March 2011 was as under. First, liability side, 8% 5,000 preference shares of 100 rupees each, 5 lakh. 15,000 equity shares of 100 rupees each, 15 lakh. General reserve 50,000. P&L account 1,50,000 and 10% debenture 375 and creditors 1 lakh. The total is 26,75,000. Now on the asset side, goodwill 1,75,000. Buildings 12 lakh, machinery 6,25,000, investments 2,50,000, stock 1,75,000, debtors 62,500, cash and bank balance 62,500, preliminary expenses it's called for fictitious assets 1,25,000 and total is 26,75,000. So the total on both the side, assets and liability side, 26,75,000. Now the next point, on 1st April 2011, Rima Limited absorbed Sapna Limited with the following conditions. Rima Limited took over the tangible assets except cash and bank balance and the investments. It also took over the creditors. So one thing is, remember students, here all tangible assets we are taking except cash and bank balance. It means cash and bank balance was not taken over by the new company and investment also not taken over by the new company. Number 2, the equity shareholders of Sapna Limited were to be allotted 5 equity shares of Rima Limited of 10 rupees each at a market price of 12 rupees per share for every share held by equity shareholders. It means one share na badlama 5 equity shares we are provided. For one share we are giving 5 new equity shares at the price of 10 and market price is 12, means 2 rupees are premium. Third point, the preference shareholders of Sapna Limited were to be allotted 8 equity shares of Rima Limited of 10 rupees each at a market price of 12 rupees per share for every share held by the preference shareholders. એનો મતલબ એવો થશે કે વન પ્રેફરન્સ શેરની ઓરમાં 8 equity shares we are giving. The market price is 12, so 2 rupees are premium. So this is the very important point. The one preference shares we are giving 8 equity shares at the price of 10 and market price is 12, so 2 rupees are premium. The next point, investments were sold 2,05,000. Investments were sold 2,05,000 because new company not taken over by the investment. So investments were sold by the market directly, 2,05,000. Cash comes in, so we write in the cash account debit and realization account credit. When you prepare necessary necessary accounts in the books of the Sapna Limited, it means all company, then you write cash account debit side sold investment and another effect on realization account credit side. Next point, the debenture holders of Sapna Limited were to be allotted debentures of Rima Limited in such a way that debenture holders get 20% premium. It means debentures we are giving at 20% premium, so we are add premium. Number 6, Rima Limited took stock at 1,55,000, so we are take in the question stock tick kar levano, market value was given, then we are right in the market value. Then machineries 5,25,000, so we tick machinery also. We are taking the value of machineries as market value, and 5% doubtful debts reserve on debtors, so we are deducting the debtors 5% BDR. You are required to prepare ledger accounts in the books of the Sapna Limited. Here the question is necessary ledger account in the Sapna. It is the last questions when we prepare necessary ledger account in the books of the old company, and necessary journal entry in the books of the RIMA. It means new company. New company ma we are prepare a journal entry. There are the two different questions. First of all, always we are calculate working note first. So here working note 1, net assets. In the net assets, first we write building. As per the building, no any instructions are given, so directly book value we are taking. Then machinery. In the machinery, the market price was given 5,25,000, so we are taking the machinery's value was 5,25,000. Then stock. As per the instructions are given in the adjustment number last, stock was valued 1,55,000, so directly we write stock 1,55,000. Then debtors. As per the 5% BDR, so 5% BDR minus કર્યા પછીનો figure 59,375, and the total is 19,39,375. It is total assets. Now check it. There are 4 assets we are writing here. Goodwill we are not writing here. Then investments was not taken over. Cash and bank balance not taken over. And preliminary expenses we are not writing from the calculation of net assets, because preliminary expenses it's called for the fictitious assets, and fictitious assets we are not taking in the calculation of net assets. Is it clear? So the total assets is 19,39,375. Less liabilities. In the liability number 1, creditors were taken over, so we write creditors 1 lakh. Then debenture, in the adjustments was given, so debenture we write in the inner column 3,75,000 plus 20% premium, so the amount is 75,000. Four lakh 50,000, and total liability was 5,50,000. It's called for B. Check it. 2 liabilities here, creditors and debenture, and in the debentures we are taking 20% premium, so total liability is 5,50,000. After that, total assets 19,39,375 minus total liabilities 5,50,000. So you get it, the answer 13,89,375. It's called for net assets. 13,89,375. It's called for net assets. Now the working note 2 is PC. PC means purchase considerations. First point, equity share capital. Now read the adjustment number 2. The equity shareholders of Sapna Limited were to be allotted 5 equity shares of Rima Limited of 10 rupees each at a market price of 12 rupees per share for every share held by the equity shareholder. So 1 equity share, then the new company given to 5 equity shares. So 1A5, and here the total number of equity share was 15,000. So what number of equity shares was given by the new company? So 50,000 into 5, your answer is 75,000. And 1 share was given by the 10 rupees each. So the amount is 7,50,000 plus premium 75,000 into 2 rupees, because market price is 12. So 2 rupees are premium. So 1,50,000, and total equity shares was given 9 lakh with premium. Total 9 lakh equity share with premium. This is the first amount. Second point was given preference share ને પણ equity share જ allot કરે છે. So here we write old and new. Now read the third adjustment. The preference shareholders of Sapna Limited were to be allotted 8 equity shares of Rima Limited of 10 rupees each at a market price of 12 rupees per share for every share held by preference shareholder. It means 1 preference share ની ઓરમાં 8 equity shares are allotted. So here the number of preference shares was given 5,000 preference share. So what number of preference shares was given? 8 5s are 40,000 preference share was given at 10 rupees each. So total 4 lakh ના equity share આપશે preference share ના બદલામાં plus premium 40,000 into 2 rupees premium. So total amount is 80,000. So 4,80,000 ના equity share with premium આપશે preference share ના બદલામાં. So this is the main 2 point, and after that you total these 2 amount. 9 lakh equity share ને આપ્યા with premium અને 4,80,000 preference shareholder ને આપીએ છીએ with premium. So total PC 13,80,000. 13,80,000 it is called for total PC. After that working note 3, capital reserve, because here net assets is more compared to PC. So formula is net assets minus PC. Net assets is 13,89,375 minus PC 13,80,000. So you get it 9,375 as a capital reserve. 9,375, it's a capital reserve. After the working note, you are here, the two questions are given. Number 1, necessary accounts prepare in the books of the old company and journal entry in the books of the new company. So first we prepare necessary accounts in the books of old company. So first account is realization account. In the realization account, debit side and credit side, first you write all assets in the debit side to goodwill, $1,75,000, to building 12 lakh. All assets we write realization account debit side first. To machinery, here we write as per book value 6,25,000. Then investment, when new company taken over or not taken over doesn't matter, we write all assets for realization account debit side. To investment 2,50,000, to stock 1,75,000, to debtors 62,500. Cash account here not taken over by the new company, so we write cash account in the balance of cash account. Cash and bank ni balance cash account માં લખાશે. And preliminary expenses we write in shareholders account. એટલે assets જ ખાલી અહીંયા આટલી લખાશે. Credit side by liabilities, the first liability as per given 10% debentures 3,75,000, and by creditors account 1 lakh. આટલું જ આની અંદર આવશે. Then after by new company account PC, in the PC we are calculate 13,80,000, and second effect of this value we write in the new company's account debit side. અત્યારે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર હું એક જ એકાઉન્ટ બતાવી શકું છું, અધરવાઇઝ આની સેકન્ડ એન્ટ્રી ક્યાં આવશે? ન્યૂ કંપનીમાં ડેબિટ સાઇડ. Then investment was sold, we write the credit side by cash account into the bracket investment sold. You read the adjustment number 4. Investment were sold 2,05,000. A figure આવશે 2,05,000, and the second effect of this value we write in the cash account debit side. Okay. After that preference shareholders account આપણે ક્લોઝ કરશું, ત્યારે એમાંથી આપણને ડિફરન્સ નીકળશે પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડરમાં 20,000નો ડેબિટ સાઇડ. So we write here the credit side 20,000 by પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડર અકાઉન્ટ. અત્યારે હું આ ફિગર કહી દઉં છું, પણ તમે જ્યારે પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડર એકાઉન્ટ પ્રિપેર કરશો, આપણે જોશું હમણાં, ત્યારે 20,000નો ફિગર અહીંયાથી અહીંયા ટ્રાન્સફર થશે. એકચ્યુઅલમાં એકસાથે 5 એકાઉન્ટ પ્રિપેર કરવાના હોય છે. રિયલાઇઝેશન એકાઉન્ટ, શેર હોલ્ડર એકાઉન્ટ, પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડર એકાઉન્ટ, ન્યૂ કંપનીઝ એકાઉન્ટ એન્ડ કેશ ઓર બેંક એકાઉન્ટ. પણ આપણે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર અત્યારે એક એકાઉન્ટ જોઈ છીએ, એટલે આ એકાઉન્ટનો ટ્રાન્સફર અહીંયા આપણે લખી લીધું. હું તમને સમ આગળ કરાવીશ ત્યારે પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડર એકાઉન્ટમાં બતાવીશ કે 20,000નો ફિગર અહીંયાથી આપને મળશે. ઓકે, આફ્ટર દેટ હવે આમાં કાંઈ વધારાનું નહીં આવે. સો ટોટલ ઓફ ધીસ ડેબિટ સાઇડ ઇઝ મોર. સો 24,87,500 ડેબિટ સાઇડનો ટોટલ મોર થાય છે. એ ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ આપણે લખવાનો, અને ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ ફિગર ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરશો તો ફિગર તમને મળશે 4,07,500. 4,07,500 તમને ટોટલ મળવો જોઈએ. આ તમારો રિયલાઇઝેશન એકાઉન્ટનો લોસ કહેવાય. સો હિયર વી રાઇટ બાય લોસ ટ્રાન્સફર ટુ શેર હોલ્ડર એકાઉન્ટ 4,07,500. $4,07,500. એક વખત બરાબર વ્યવસ્થિત રિયલાઇઝેશન એકાઉન્ટ ચેક કરી લ્યો. આફ્ટર ધેટ વી આર પ્રિપેરિંગ શેર હોલ્ડર્સ એકાઉન્ટ. In the shareholders account, we write credit side by share capital and 15 lakh, the amount 15 lakh. Then after any reserves given in the liability side, we write shareholders account credit side. So here by GR account 50,000 and by P&L account 1,50,000 by GR account and by P&L account. And any fictitious assets was given, we write the debit side to preliminary expenses account 1,25,000. Okay, so first of all we write this point by share capital account credit side. Any reserves was given on the liability side, we write in the shareholders account credit side, and any fictitious assets was given on the asset side, we write in the shareholders account debit side. After that, in the loss of realization account, we transfer here debit side to loss from realization account 4,07,500. And new company was given to equity shareholders to 9 lakh rupees. So right, we debit side to shares in ન્યૂ કંપનીઝ અકાઉન્ટ વિથ પ્રીમિયમ 9 લાખ. જે આપણે વર્કિંગ નોટમાં લખેલું હશે, જો તમે લખેલું હોય તો જોઈ લ્યો. 9 લાખ શેર ઇન ન્યૂ કંપનીઝ અકાઉન્ટ વિથ પ્રીમિયમ 9 લાખ. Then after you finding the figure, the credit side total is 17 lakh. And then after you get it the figure 2,67,500. 2,67,500 we transfer to cash account. To cash account. આ ટુ કેશ અકાઉન્ટમાં તમે ટ્રાન્સફર કરો ફિગર 2,67,500. નેક્સ્ટ પોઈન્ટ, પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડર અકાઉન્ટ. preference shareholders account. In the preference shareholder account, we write the credit side by preference share capital 5 lakh. And debit side 2 shares in new company, જે વિથ પ્રીમિયમ આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન વર્કિંગ નોટમાં કરેલું છે 4,80,000ના ઇક્વિટી શેર વિથ પ્રીમિયમ આપણે પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડરને આપવાના છે. સો હિયર ધ બેલેન્સ વોઝ 20,000 જે આપણે ટ્રાન્સફર કરવાની હતી રિયલાઇઝેશન અકાઉન્ટમાં. રિયલાઇઝેશન અકાઉન્ટ. સો આપણે લખ્યો તો અહીંયા ફિગર 20,000, અહીંયા અહીંથી આવ્યો હતો 20,000 પ્રેફરન્સ શેર હોલ્ડર્સ અકાઉન્ટમાં 20,000. નાવ ધ નેક્સ્ટ અકાઉન્ટ ઇઝ કેશ ઓર બેંક અકાઉન્ટ. Cash or bank account. When the new company not taken over the cash, then we write here to opening balance 62,500. And investment was sold. Here we write to realization account. Investment sold 2,05,000. જો આની એક ઇફેક્ટ આપણે રિયલાઇઝેશન અકાઉન્ટમાં ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ લખી હતી. રિયલાઇઝેશન અકાઉન્ટમાં ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ લખ્યું હતું બાય કેશ અકાઉન્ટ બ્રેકેટમાં ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ સોલ્ડ, અને એક એન્ટ્રી અહીંયા આવશે. અને તમે આને ક્લોઝ કરો તો ફિગર મળશે 2,67,500. અને શેર હોલ્ડરના એકાઉન્ટમાં આપણે ડેબિટ સાઇડ ફિગર મળ્યો હતો એ અહીંયા ટ્રાન્સફર થાય ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ બાય શેર હોલ્ડર્સ એકાઉન્ટ. 2,67,500 ફિગર આવ્યો હતો, એટલે કેસમાં બંને સાઈડનો ટોટલ સેમ આવી જશે. ઇઝ ઇટ ક્લિયર? સો ટોટલ વિલ બી કેશ અકાઉન્ટ આર ક્લોઝ. તો નેસેસરી એકાઉન્ટ્સમાં ધીસ 4 એકાઉન્ટ વી આર પ્રિપેર મસ્ટ. ઓકે. આફ્ટર ધ સેકન્ડ ક્વેશ્ચન વોઝ જર્નલ એન્ટ્રી ઇન ધ બુક્સ ઓફ ધ ન્યૂ કંપની. સો વી રાઇટ જર્નલ એન્ટ્રીઝ in the first entry we write all the assets are debited. જે કંઈ પણ તમે વર્કિંગ નોટમાં અસેટ્સ લખી હોય એ બધી ડેબિટ કરવાની. સો હિયર બિલ્ડિંગ એકાઉન્ટ ડેબિટેડ 12 lakh. મશીનરી એકાઉન્ટ ડેબિટ 5,25,000. Stock account debit 1,55,000. Debtors account debit 59,375. 2. All the liabilities we are write the credit side to creditors account 1 lakh. 2. Debenture account 4,50,000. 2. Liquidator of Sarita Limited. Here we write the PC's amount 13,80,000. It is your first journal entry. Now the second entry is liquidator of Sarita Limited account debit 13,80,000 ટુ ન્યૂ કંપની આપણને જે આપે છે એ વસ્તુ ક્રેડિટ કરવાની. તો ન્યૂ કંપની આપે છે એક તો ઇક્વિટી શેર. સો હિયર વી રાઇટ ઇક્વિટી શેર 11,50,000. ઇક્વિટી શેરના બદલામાં અને પ્રેફરન્સ શેરના બદલામાં ઇક્વિટી શેર જ છે. અને સેકન્ડ થિંગ વોઝ ગિવન ટુ શેર પ્રીમિયમ. તો શેર પ્રીમિયમ આપે છે 2,30,000. સો ટોટલ અમાઉન્ટ 13,80,000. અહીંયા ઓનલી 2 જ એન્ટ્રી આવશે, બીજું કંઈ આપેલું નથી. અધરવાઇઝ આપેલું હોય તો એની એન્ટ્રી આવી શકે. તો અહીંયા તમારો ક્વેશ્ચન છે એ કમ્પ્લીટ. થેન્ક યુ.